bephethe some packet of chips basesiqeda uthatha amapic Whispers ufuna sibone like shit bold and beautiful that type of shit and mawuthatha ubheka ngatap for the shit the story begins ufuna ngivise kuma movie she came thought about drinks ngavele ngamthelela ijuicy she came down to the crib wavele wangiphulela isushi acathi ngishawe 16 ngavele ngamtshela ngithusi mina ngasilela le sushi later she sent me a nude and couple of fair feet busy be shaking a booty she twerks dope so thick magidla be feeling like sushi fresh boy she a meal emna ngiyaphindwa ngisuthi later she posted on Facebook said I got a big booty umalungs sure bambiza ke big booty hey umalungs but it's the big